Yabamina much Mama Kwa Baby Emfa Emrabe James so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV, Digi Box and so you're live and so yes, to be on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Okwa search for Adom TV. Na like your comments ebe yena kenkan de amount. GCB Bank shareholders update in the GCB Bank say can shareholders no SM. Almost the mother visit any of their branches and now sell call on website www.gcbbank.com.gh www.gcbbank.com.gh no kwe nyina any some update o details say a year or telephone number any email address send be o metimi a share or shares na watono information directly with you. Enti almost there almost shareholders. Nyina say munya ni sa emfa mo mo. And also betimi alagi on to epay.gcblimited.com/98/shareholder portal. Na afi wetimi agoni store wetimi kon sa tenten so www.gcbbank.com.gh na eco shareholder for platform eso na ko update o details a ehonum enyina. So a quick statement from Professor Amiyao Kumfi. Also have taken note of concerns expressed by many regarding the ongoing legal proceedings in the Sky Train case, and I wish to state that I have pleaded not guilty to the charges brought against me. I remain a firm believer in accountability, provided it is pursued within the framework of fairness and justice. I welcome the opportunity to clear my name and have full confidence in my innocence. Since news of my arraignment, I have been deeply moved by the unwavering support and encouragement from my family, friends, and legal team. Their steadfast belief in my integrity has strengthened my resolve as I go through this process. I continue to trust in the judicial system to uphold the truth. I'll say, Professor Amiyao, okay, to my monitor for Professor Amiyao Kenya, and say, what is Sky Trails and Semua, and who some that so a work court na echo a benina, or that of four any amount for you now, I say. Now, what you can be him say, called the bonnet their bonnet, only home for. No, the bush for now for and can a lawyers and swassi. So when you do an ask more catch them a monomutu animal, na seka se pa biem so se en confirma omenya for Canada compare con e Japan se otime ginemu se be ma kentin krade amano or na seda se ensa edam Kofi Tonto eye political aide the former vice president, former flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, was also a member of the MPP National Communications Team, Kofi Atnasis, also and NMPSC, a member of the NDC National Communications Team. And so, Atnase, also yeah, Director of Communication and Corporate Affairs. I was bossed. Is you my best now?
Oh,
okay. Because some movie now koye oil kuana fe koye the entire
green transition.
Yes. It is so what to be movie as instead of boss about be a boss a best. Yes. There's a bulk energy supply.
Exactly.
Okay. If you go there.
Me I'm Adom.
Bibi a shey.
You go so kakra. Aga me penny and MPC.
Okay.
Na be bona baso na yama no trinkwa se nei ona ye kasamafo panyi a oboa ma boss adwuma omoye no akoso panyi de sebe ye ne na di nkita ho bebre wasom ne man wo kwan bebre so ti se ne akwanya baso won san kosom a me gidi se edigisem na ese ensempa na yeka gusu na ono nso mu a de beboa no faso de ebeba so because the name Mpensenpensenmu CEO na of a state agency.
Oh, okay.
But it's not too late. I think it's a start, and I'm very, very confident. Obey na dwuma amana so ni. The nigisem so no crampo de our experience. We share sebe ɔte ha yi ne ho fɛfɛɛfɛ saa na ɔnyɛ akora o ɔbɔ apia nti ɛba abrabɔ mu experience a ɔwɔ bi nti ɛbɛsrɛ sɛ wokɔ yi bring your experience to bear na Ghana yɛnya onimdeɛ so mfasoɔ na boss adwuma ɔmo yɛ no nso no wobɛtoto nneɛma yi ama yɛnya adwuma no mu nteaseɛ. There are a lot of state institutions Ghana for kora nim adeɛ mpo a ɔmo yɛ
ɛna ɔmo so mfaso kora
ɛna ɔmo so mfaso mpo de ma ɔman no so ho nti yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ wobɛtu anɔma akɔ Ghana afanan dodoɔ no nyinaa na watumi akyerɛkyerɛ adwuma a boss ɛyɛ mu ɛne mfasodeɛ a Ghana yɛnya na yɛnyinaa yɛhu deɛ ɔmo yɛ na yɛtumi nso ahold mu accountable.
Sɛ hɔ na asɛm no wɔ no
ɛhɔ ne baabi a
sɛ amanfoɔ no te ase a ɔmo bisa questions bebree.
Yes,
but won't te ase deɛ a ɛne nkɔnkɔ
exactly ɛna wɔn sɛ say Boston so nyame adom ɔma fɔ ɔmo ntoma pa afiri ansa wohwɛ the last numbers era province a ɛkɔ no the last time Boston make a profit of 230 million
Ghana cedis.
Yes, I'm sure say an MPC kɔ wɔn numbers no. Of course, it's not perfect. A lot more can be done. Nti ye hwɛ sɛ mobeto 230 million no. Obetimi apagya kra kɔ ebi a 500 and 600. Nti nua ye ma wotiri nkwa. Na menka wa ho na
wonta so nhia asantwerefo.
Of course.
Wonta nhia asantwerefo. Na asɛm nko a montimi nka. Wonta nhia asantwerefo na monkyerɛkyerɛ monkyerɛ yɛ. So, monkyerɛ ne yɛte ase a na yɛtimi abɛka ebi. So,
ma me fa kwan yesu na me na me nua ko ase.
Okay.
Me hu na ache kakra. Me da wan se na ase. Na mo mpa bo. Teacher President Mahama. Jide a wanya wo. Ye mu bi no mu se yenko bo na yenko tenetene ama na ebo ewo various agencies. Ni amehye mu nyina nkran ne se adwuma no. Se na yesi afiase no ebe konkan.
Ede ya mias.
Go fi twa koma to you. Bibia be to you. Enche kra mbote enka. Na ebo mpa ne se mre bia besin kono na boss bad news kakra. Na ene na mframa mu ye we se yere ntisa ama na ebo na ebo sorry erinsi krada.
Okay.
Ayama na ebo a edin puntu. Eyo man adwuma. Nti kosi na ahia se nkontabu ene perepere ye.
Yeah.
Wutimi eyi hu ano. Basa na okan no so sana won hye point ni erinche be fiase no mo
wonta hye asantwerefo.
Enche kra
They no bo.
Absolutely.
Of course.
Ebo papa.
Yeah.
But you be say
Eyo man for adwuma say obo man for
amane. The
amane.
aspect of some trade me wa kuma say obi bi. Cause maybe yes, adwuma penifo no hyeda sika mu hyeda nyedu. So I go for medical doctor say on handle health aspect. Or like EOCO international media now. Ubenya, there's one guy, this is Cooper also. No, Cooper. There's one guy be on CNN. He's a medical doctor, but he's the employer. Yeah, engaging her or it's a bad health issue, not as no kasa because any field not here sentino. Yeah, you know how to. But yeah, you know, no matter your background, once you sit, say. You discuss issues in the flat barbecue. Low barbecue. So, say, I should have and Tiaso, you may call doing operations in Emua. And my name, for example, last I call a COP29, UN Climate Change Conference. One of the issues are not UN Penifone be raised here, say, they hardly hear Ghanaian journalists talking about climate change.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
By a simple thing be able to obey you. But make us be able to be na you shouldn't need entiasiano.
Adwuma de do na no.
Stop me can meeting there. I mean come on to. And you safe.
Eno wo ho.
Yeah.
And I feel so who say partisanship no. And so the die mu kakra. It is a Kofi wo party A na say party B a dey one man dey bonya na say.
Onfi no.
So what and also count.
Okay.
Nti o hwe ne print media ground here. Obi a obi any interest.
Obi okay kako.
So what you say and also count. Mom say na mo kan da bia no ye be ye fair. Oh. Yeah. Na ya ti frɛ na say ye ya amane ebofo. The fourth estate of the realm. Mo de ne say mo de amane ebo be more manfo. Judgment ni de won an obe judge say me pay ya na me pay ya no we na ekwa no we na. Sure. Nti ni awokan de eto asom. E be na yeah to turn us up. I hope that going for democracy is shall sing change. Yeah, Kofuma, we are more America for our shares by
200 years ago.
One gram.
Still Donald Trump.
What does hinting. Can you pound?
Say Donald Trump say as more.
To two be
Then say yeah, but who knows what the other say student visa interview.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm for September intake.
Yeah, I call on Africans and I say, young I what this part of the world say.
Oh, that is what
yeah,
sure.
Near guys, yeah, dear, want to also be beer where you say, you're what's a bit of up on Pema? No, sure,
yeah, shedding no more share. If David drew on me, every jay person Comiano. And not because that's my own to me.
And not dear, to be honest, Yankasana, me home shed down family.
Okay.
Ti enra ne enra chi nyina no
yeah
na me wo fie kakra but the cost bia no ye monitor nti so far minia say ubusa me the cost a ayare hosem
okay
ayare hosem chere say ye di kan no mpo no men kan sisu say obia obefom kwan ana obeye bone ana obeye mfomso a etia oman mra no ehu behia se oman no mra ne bedi ne sene esefata
okay
enti nya de a se de onimira betena ha ka se se obi aye mfomso a enipa no yemfa no nche no da bi oman ne mra no se be echiri sa ba oman ne mra no echiri sa no echiri no mpo no a man shishaya sabi de wakum nipa kra na yemfa no nya de emfa so na nye obi a wo se ebi a aban ama no contract na aban contract na wo de man no wo susue mu no wo se wanye ana se ebi a obi a wo se enempo de wo hwe charges a omode aba the honorable attorney deputy attorney general asemo a wo kan say de di kan fraud they are tossing me causing financial loss to the state. They are tossing me some money laundering. And I think say a big but you know, these are charges. And sana sa charges even bay. You're a Mahmoud Baumia dancing for to say any panel sabe wayam from swa mon fanning faganam so. And fa so a party A and a party B. The Emrano Eshesha mon fan of us. Name kwa dum pa mo de abonum pono. Tana fo nje da anye de eni emu na ho na no yete se mo se wakoye galamse me boa oti
I think any police here did no
so the deputy attorney general de beto abonte ne de hindi
okay if I say deputy there no me be hwe na marka it need any specific to EOCO investigations no more area no
so EOCO investigating different from CID so you see the enti nipa ba ko no na no mache no CID for ache no se hwan ache no afi ofiri hwa na we nso abeche no afi no na ya akoye se e de na ekosi ba oman no wo mra yewra Martin Pebu e de asem call court asem o de call court na wonyina so mi no de edi kan ne se se achi obi a eni kwan se de ne to se bi aban no de ne to ne kukumu more than 48 hours se aban no Ghana court ne nhwe se saa niema ekoso no yenyin firi ho de etoso mienu se enipa ne mpo no edin charge ne de abon won se kane no evansi esi obi repo obi ana obi akum obi a some offenses bi wa enye bailable
sure
and what they call court to say yema every offense enye bailable and semfo ya what they call no court nso ne omo ene ne ya adwen se one say ye chi obi a 48 hours no yema nipa ne bail ama court crack sisu say ekodru say 48 hours ne end on a weekend da yen constitute a court
okay
it is a ne ye chi me yemfa ne say ya wada numre ana fiada no pa obviously
ebe
ramem da na ebe kwasiada depending on the day court ne says 48 hours ne so on a non-working day like a weekend the crana yen constitute court na yen manipa ne bail Adentina court in the cancer. Because you see, when you look at the letter of the Constitution or a court ruling, you have to also look at the spirit of it. The spirit of it, and they say, and fa adie being shut down, may ya consider and fantanatana will be far who dear so. Pacho Mudaho. It's in Mecca oh, Nanka 48 hours a day, but a weekend. Yet me man between a court and say a weekend the crown constitute a court. Meaning say a quibia ube faswa ube make sure say nipa na right to a bail no ube administer no you have to. 2. Apart from say ube share say emro 48 hours. There to be only say your brofika say it shouldn't be onerous. Just say in Tanzania wo dia boni pa na esa wo ma no ho kwan no ko fie ko boaboa no ho and shut down fa kwansidie bi ana say bibi si na akwan mu a wo ye ho hwi a enye den enye yi.
Okay, for 54 chama me kai Justice Srimsai write up no the to Facebook na Deputy Attorney General. Was the suspect Bernard Entwibu Asiako aka Chema Wontumi is under investigation for various criminal offenses including fraud, causing financial loss to the state and money laundering. The criminal investigation is running concurrently with asset recovery process to prevent further dissipating of what law enforcement agencies strongly suspect to be proceeds of crime. The suspect is also under a second strand of investigation, which is part of a larger international organized crime scheme. The Economic and Organized Crime Office is assiduously working with our international law enforcement partners on this second strand of criminal investigations.
Okay. So, make come as say it shouldn't be onerous. And ma bail ne onerous na se kire ne say e ma ne nye din e ma nipa no se ne be ya ontimi meet the bail conditions. Enti wo say nipa no fa 50 million Ghana cedis. See e hwe ene currency mu a exchange rate that's 5 million United States dollars. And I say chairman Wontumi famra and san no amane bail. Bail no so a wode man no enye court bail eye EOCO inquiry bail. Bail no ye omu mienu. See a chi obi e de ne call police na ye man bail na. Police can give police inquiry bail. And no ye police ni using their discretion because at that time there are no charge sheet bia sabe court na scrutinize it to even ascertain value or anything. Enti se si ayeti court entimi kan kire say okay Wontumi offenses na wa cause ni nyina no se o dwane a e ka sei
eno man bebo
eno man bebo nti ya the way ena ye den e to ne so. So the first question is say how did Raymond Acha come up with 50 million? Based on what? Based on what value? Me pacho what you say? Raymond Acha should tell us say this is the value me expect to say Wontumi dwane a o man be lose nti no me dey to ne so. How did he come up with that value? Because in this current process no fa nipa ne court ana wo charges now wo dey court no agibi atum because we need because he you betimi dey me court. Police be charge me say wo dey court court no betimi akasa we me nyintum dia me gitum ni ehun Tanzania enti aya EOCO or police inquiry bail no it must not be onerous and say reasonable. Now catch you be say uncover 5 million United States dollars emran sana wa manakwa clearly it shows say aya wu Raymond Acha we NDC ni a why wadwene say MPP for no mo wa 17 chama Wontumi kwan bia wo be fa so a wo de ne be hye eye sales ho no wo de ne be hye ho.
Can it also be say maybe the amount there can say Chema Wontumi is alleged to have caused or minor far exceeds the bail conditioner the amount because most of the amount also most of the times here na bail conditions na eba ye padi ebe bro
Of course.
That will deter you from saying we can credit.
Yes, but the point is, who is to determine that? Madi can catch or say you can put determine say a carway and no mususua. Court what the obegia to need the court into.
Okay.
And nuntina police or EOCO inquiry bail no. And so making sure say any onerous. And you can say ya consider money panel the fan who did. Say a court and the becca 50 million now. The reasonable argument in say court now any permutations and with the amount of free say going to me Ghanaian or mine belusu.
Yeah.
They are to deal. We say what cause financial loss to the state. Wontumi onye exchequer for the government anameboa. Wontumi na tria Ghana bank sika. Ana wontumi na call Ghana bank account mu no kofa ekotria obi ka any kwan so otria ne ka na okofa Ghana bank sika de ye bibia e cause financial state ana. What it means is that of course a private person can be a collaborator in causing financial loss.
Yeah.
But the word is collaborator and the collaborators no more. One more omo buying adwuma no mu a no omo ye no more. What to say yabo obi ntansa wo any state agency. What be bisa? Say bia wontumi kwaje aban sika wo company A. And wakwaje aban sika wo company A no sa nipa we mu
ene AD
abeti ye ma no yes abone sankofo no ate omudi. Musi wakoso fraud. You can't say fraud. There must be somebody or an entity that has been defrauded. Who is that person? Who is that entity? Entity buying na would to me defraud them. Person buying na would to me defraud them.
Okay.
You see, these are the questions. I see a busanti. Uba ya na abeka chira me say, to me cause financial loss to the states. Na okoji oni obi eka omutiri bo mu sheda bo aban ne krono na nipa ni adwuma a oye ni ekwan amofa so ya then na apaso mu na se sia mimiti a se wontumi akoso financial loss me Ghana aban fa ne sika keys ema wontumi oh enti menia na no mu be ka kire say de enti a mode ne ekọ eye a friend say mine galamsey Inti other na attorney general na can charges and the
gallant for the number.
The you are informing Ghanaians.
Okay.
Inti, is it a case of CID or is it a case of EOCO?
Okay.
Other now my Ghana for all charges are.
Yeah, they are going to me.
Yeah, they are going to me.
But that's a good thing.
Ben, I was in my man now. Na me nchia wahwefo.
Yes.
Na umpanfa ono mo yedwuma ha. Na mo mabaso.
Yes.
Ya kama ne bo a mudi mutintima papa. Na nsembisa kakra wo ha. Me wo ma MPP fo. Na obeboa no sa nkomodim.
Okay.
Ora Wontumi. Oye MPP regional chairman mpajo me bo.
Yeah.
MPP regional chairman for one do ya.
Say 16 regions.
Ma kuma ku du 16. Pajo wo mo ba hin na aban bi tata wo. Wo mo ba hin na police invite wo. Wo mo ba hin na EOCO invite wo. Enti se sa nipa bebrebe nyina wo ho na wo mo ba kopɛ na wo invite no sa semasi. Brana ya no hia nsem kan bi. Na nea wo de kwadu abɔ no. I want to say, friends, or person where you was adding on a constitute to the MPP political vendetta. Then a woman Ghana Mranum Patria 1 year, a teacher man, a hearful, a 1 year, a teacher man, a scafuana. Ura Foco, Padosoka and Gregory.
Yeah.
Unyasa found Dibia. And can be a better than Yamiasi. On the crowd will call to a man bill and umpo. Abang what teso. What's the way want MPP abang. Uncle you won't. Ghana mra. And I said the Sebio. EOCO for the year, Juma. EOCO any branch of NDC. Oko EOCO Abenya Bay Mpensenpensenmu for Bay by Sebi Pet. Abang obey. I'll point to on the alcohol. And now bang no shisha EOCO mra. I make a president Mahama bang. Yebeto Zamra ne da ho. baby a what you say EOCO fu ebu mra no so no MPP fu mra bonten meka obenya mo bi support benya se eye Wontumi nti yantumu monten so yenye dede ye basa o na oman na ye chichire no ase ye ne mre wo na chichire ho ye
okay
ampa se owura Wontumi nkomodi a wo diffan ho se why say no ye misa okwai no obisa na wo nga bisa na me boa o wa no yi bi a we no so okay mra kwan so no ense se ye do tum beyond 48 hours enya za netene
yeah
enti mo be mredi akaginam ne ma obi anka so nkotam sika 50 million fa meto ansa onaja but za netene on koma builder bra koma bill no bill condition na ojuna so e ma ni pa ko ne bill no but what the koy ana yes if I see who said no kware wo enti ni pa ba san megina ho won abegina ho
but 500 billion old cities too much
we no escape na bodin
what can is can
no what you don't want to see
me say 50 million Ghana cedis
ya no ni nka san komo na na we
$5 million
and I'm say can is can 500 billion
ye ba ye ni size can business so what you say ye ni size can because can dey about for coins bi ya to egu nyina dey about ka ho who see
but 50 million Ghana cedis
somobo
yeah
to the tune of 50 million Ghana cedis
yeah
question is enti MPP fu bebrebe ni nyina wo nyo bia mpato nya botre o kan wasa no bisiam yeko
okay
wo nyo bia nkogina se wo nyo bia dia na jena won jedi a wonni wo Wontumi hunti no ye sa na on ka se fa bro
50 million Ghana cedis
mpacho meke kaba
okay
owura Wontumi na nkasa kura no se mpo oso penya men doubt no
ba se mra so ma no kwan
mbo edo baby a onga nyo bia otumi kasa wankasa so ati ase gina ho ma ho na sign a bill condition maybe I don't know what me pese me personalizing common ayedi no
okay
but Wontumi every day so koto Chelsea na mba obeda 3 billion pounds sterling 3 billion pounds sterling ye nhwe ni pa ba ko nchihye mra pardon na me kan what ase
yeah
nti na me pese me ka se ono nkofa bi information ho
okay
debi na mum wedding mfumsu bi eyampa na
okay
so say nyampa mo bi mema we media kaginam ne yema o bail o me sign bill condition na ma na kofi ne yam tu aso ne nkomo hese yedi no enti questions agofu bisa no asa ne a o repre wo hododo ne beba be du ho
that okay so maybe
prempren yede na ye hia ne say owura no benya ne fa ho di a EOCO fo a ofa no so wo demand bill conditioner and yes wo benya tuya na wo nyentuya ntiu wo behwe the gravity asem na wo de worry di ho emu duru
okay any ahihye
so what you say
okay
nya deputy AG de beto abon so no hwehwe mu na say eyensem emu yeduru tie ne ye wo say money laundering if you mreben they go say mreben eyensem emu yeduru wa bo man no
wonam koti kwan so ma na boka bia
mo so what you say
financial loss
mo ewe no ho
but who say na na
kofi ebisa say krombo bi nso aka ho
are there collaborate because there should be collaborators to achieve causing financial loss it shouldn't
so only court
so mo mama na me ko mulabra be ba no beto so fa chem
only court is
am ko mulabra is here da ya beto so be dwam die ya ba is here
ade amoye no ya won ko so
so nya betre kra me nwie ye so de fe na me fi azie
won ko so
kofi
so obi before the what before the wine before the wine before the
utu na ona betre kwa on so ne be mama kama se me wie wo ti ase ta betre mama fan to ase me the phone no kra to ase
say what there ye ba ho ye nya bi
esa makwa ba biem eti mu am wi ne ma mu nyina wo trinkwa obi awi ne bia ma trinkwa on your wings but because I join you Habitat Fair first clinic eba eso nyame admo from Friday 20th to Sunday 23rd June ewo Achimota Retail Center for the first clinic of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2025. Eti yena yepe yeda esi yepe mwadi ya support yeda esi yepe mortgage ni ahodo ne nyina no. Yefie ni enchiro ni konya nimde ni su ho ne emwa Yeah, as effort. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is brought to you by EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, Virtual Security Africa, Superlock Technologies Limited, DBS Industries Limited, The Builders Market, Lesh Fortune Limited, Clifton Homes, and Afe Interplast. I'm going to say, Afe EcoBank Joy Habitat Fair 2025. The bro, you for Ebi. Happy birthday, confirm Elijah Nyameche, CEO of the Cross Fashion House. We every Eric Esiedu of Asempa 94.7 FM. Here wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Enko Enfa Emma. Ben.
Na man look at some Americans say. You know my MPP for. I'm saying route here minority for Tuesday Mountains.
Yeah.
So called that EOCO. For me, I'm saying say boss sister to one na some.
I'm going to Okoda.
Okoda won't.
Adam can Okoda.
The boss was not kind of Okoda my dear. Once a son, sir, bill condition now. Worried for about some coffee for die. You know, I want to me. I'm a straight MPP from say, yes, I'm holding now the mountains. Once someone stands. One can want him. Once you bet me enya abweske biano e de akwa kodi sa adwuma na e be ma yenua no enya ne bill ba wonye no mum ehunehuna ensesamra ehunehuna ensesamra eye Ghana mra enene obi redi obi ti say me kan wura se edu agongo se edu agongo or a private person Anumpo kra de na onye deeply involved ewo niema bi ho ne bank asabre no na nye insolvent a solvent bank because of Cocoa Board trial mutime ma Bank of Ghana a revoke their license or a private person and this is for to ho mu things and demand is restore and as a reinstate sa bank na ansa ese se mra no ye makwa ma na eduma na no bi na me kan na me nimpo ewu so Obama no be ka try there build the state institutions because when I be so akoketazisha ne pro no enye duma ketwa ayedin ye fi ase queen fiti osato Dr. Kwame Nkrumah abreso aban bi aba o sinkete se me nya me tu ase it say ye beboa na abreketazisha ne pro ase a ye nyina ye hwɛ mo ne support e be bo hu se ade a me di na dwuma a me di me wa hoden de tumi bi tare me echi de nanso mrenti me de mraso na ma former concern make se minya ya anka you regularize so situation
say
so aben bi ba na wa we di dream wo previous aben wo twa abo so ya se mra na makwan ya makwan na mra na nya adwuma se no be boam yetimi a bracket I share the prayer say wo yan mamu ma I'll go for it ebio Gregory Afoko ne fa hu di wo tietra so people for tra so mfia he mfia he fatusu owura wontumi nkoma yedi afa no nga hwedwumadi na ase hena no ye complainant o hena no de asem bi ba yo a me nua kofi demand say EOCO fo mbra me yi anon ono no EOCO nkoma no di nso de akodan owura remonacha
of course
remonacha nso nchen EOCO remonacha onso nchen mra so atia mra bi a mon fa nko court ana patensa na tene owura a friend then afeno marking say ohia say NDC for parliament one support no because I Wontumi nti dan anamon no ti fa onu ankasa ne colleague Jachikwesi ho onu ane colleague Jachikwesi dan ankomo no di support them no render them enne Wontumi nti MPP for wa drink bi say sebe wo ye Ghana for chan Ghana for na aka it is say one dia oh mom ye nya bro asemesi ro de bensi se basa ade a wagina so aye wo yonko ne nansanya o ana wo power ene se sade na anamon na watu ato ho no what na me no so twenwafa mrakwan so ya wo se ndem me me yemfa nim na me bisa se sa Brambo style a wo complain of say wo de kofa owura Wontumi say ya empowerment na hanso so ba na no kofa bai police for wash a mask nya azugum no de bai enya na kufa do address nya people address bra wo ball sitting member of parliament asom e wo by election what treat you obi abranti o okoto na bakeke ya fa sai na mani nyina mu ene mo wa kwanya mo be demonstrate fi anopa ekopema hemrachi a emfo bia ho na mom se yeyi na EOCO fu atia mra bia me metna ha kasetia pase said normal procedure mo obi me believe ni en sha asam nase se be court ayi bi hu nyansem nyina na wa investigation kre copy of court me pato me boa bo be hwe me do so asem de emu nye drunti nipa fa ho kodi ana branch fa ho kodi EOCO fu nti amra bi aye ni aye hwehwe ne se ye betimi abomoden na yan to kakra aye gije no yetimi de asomoman ni ye akwasi yaw se nipa ba akopɛ betimi fakwati kwan afasika ye betimi de akɔ school dan bi ye betimi de asi hospital bi na agarefo anya ba bi akɔ sebi we ne je se atu obi a amanfo nyina asan ba yetua to awie be so nipa kwasan asan onya betimi anya agarefo. I am not for that prempren de me de make my catching people say mo abo amhomom na mo nko bo awuran obi anka se fiscal na beto Bank of Ghana and faculty commercial bank cancer me was sa sikai adan be ya biesa kwa na ngoka boma ebeso se sikai ya no ana me bo ebeso kra ma na broso
Adom yes
adan be ya bia na ebeso ma na broso adan akofi no titimu kofi nkrofu adan a wo nga be ju wo Ghana ha ebi kra own estate mu a na bo se mo nyobi enstande in for Wontumi
50 million Ghana cedis.
Na mi se Wontumi na nkasa kra no akwanya ba se onu nkasa ma ne ho bail.
Yeah.
Obede so beto Chelsea at 3 billion pounds sterling. Fako Ghana is getting 3 billion say ahi.
Awazi. Dey kan.
Enti semretie bi na be mo dia.
Wakasa tu.
Semretie bi na be mo. Raise no ne nka ho ase. Na mo semretie bi ama mu de. Mo be demonstrate akopem na ahia. Amphobia.
Awazi. Mo station. Na mo nkofo te ho se mo bai eni bosumenai. Edan a mo nkofo ato East Lagos. So, o hwe video no. Mo station no. Se mo bai no 4 months no dan a o se nipa ba ko meba.
Na chire
o se nipa ba ko wato dan ma
20 years. O do wa ho den
say you are the director of comfort
after 20 years no ba be why
for corporate bra so na me kasa
we are branch class oh 20 years now that's all buano
anyway makachro de wo ye no ye ba why ne be kan yo mo makachro
grease guranye
wa bodje se ne be kan yo
makachro ori nyame so da
to de hwe si o se nipa ba ko ato dan 3 o East Lagos enti ho de men ko you see yam wa Ghana for I was imiti say Ghana ban se mafom mra na esi e mama bill la ye hwe me sika me wo bank account o ye de ama me bill nya sa na mra na kire
sa na enyi ya ka wa ha
nya sa na mra na kire
the level of
Wontumi me kan kire me say Wontumi asidan e na Wontumi wo sika no that's not the argument the argument is say one mra na say wuchi obi a 48 hours fa ne fa hodie ye den e ma no
ntijano
fa ne fa hodie ma no bill no nso a wo de be ma no no e ma ne nya kwansidie e wo ne peri yo ene ne fa hodie ho that is the law.
So how do you determine that?
You determine that because there is a case on it say it must not be onerous. Magic please. I'm not making a comment. Let me hear on commode. Me we are me hear what drink me so. And if me hear what drink.
Say me o me bill condition of 1 CD. Na me ntu ya be me dem. Make I say
obeso atwe baby a wona.
Mo so what you say? Enti enye sikare dodo so obenya na wunya. How do you determine that?
It
depends on
the say there are 2 types of bills. In fact, some of us we are calling for say about police inquiry bill, EOCO, CID ni sa nema na. Yemfa ehumra, ehun hihye yenye den, emra.
Okay.
Because they say no abaya discretionary. Enti Raymond Acha to ho na woni MPP for what problem no. Ono ne problem a woni e woni nti no. Why na adwin say we MPP ni na oba ho a kwan bi a mefa so a metwe so no metwe was and that's precisely what he's doing.
But now say
na nyo na ye panyi o.
But na so aso one you say because only MPP what problem to know.
But it is clear. The all you say it is clear. And no na penny o. And you be so catch me say. The cost wo you ko no ni mo hwe.
Oh, so ni mo.
Of course. It is why you penny wo ho. No ni hu bibi. Esan ko no kra na tufo se da bi. Minia. 50 million. $5 million no. Onros. Consider no my culture say mra ma okwan. Asma me kan na won ti ase.
Mra be na ma.
Ma culture say Emra no kyerɛ sɛ bill enipa no ne fa ahodie ni ade a edikan ne right but of course bill and I di obi to sell for 40 you are distorting my thoughts me patcho you di obi to sell no part of the legal process but the right so recommend this e be ma no bill and a court atena so say one enam say yem pese e betietia ne fa ahodie so nti no e say 48 hours. 2 say 48 hours ne kra ko si weekend kra na constitute court. 3 make sure say bail na wo dey manipa no enya onros enya bibia wa wonim say be ya consider no aheda ma na ya consider manipa no it is against the law. That is what I'm telling you. Enti ade a abrantie ne ye no omo fa kwati kwan bia say wo ye be kyerɛw na wo opposition now sorry a wo ka president Mahama asem enti no yaba no ye be kyerɛw where power lies na no mo be ka kyerɛ say wa sense ase mo hu sense ase argument ne sabi ensuo bia nyina mu nti no because ene mo party chairman for all over mo minister elembele ko he ne constituency ho na ye too gold enti mo nim say mo ni any leg to stand on when it comes to gold. Enti anya de yanko pen tansa foforo ne fa mo no mo amu erastus mo amu erastus some be no be kan what say and then call for mining site national security fire then take over. This is the criminality amu abaya mo baya mo say mo be stop galamsey mo ankasa mo engage in. So you don't have any legs to stand on, and because you don't have any legs in Tino, yankofa money laundering, yankofa causing financial loss, yankofa fraud, who's one kofa yena. One can't check Ghana for they want to me a defraud. No, one can't check say a dear way potting or or cause of financial loss. That's what cause of financial loss and in PSC me busau say. I buy agency bang and one more cambo mu ye. Wine and there was our agency why. Amu AD ye abeti ye man ne cause of financial loss. No, do we not deserve to know who those people are? Unimum, what I unimum. One more more buying agency, unimum magazine. We are general unimum. So, I don't know what the minimum. Okay. Mepa, I don't know what the minimum. Do we not deserve to know who the collaborators are? Do we not deserve to know who the collaborators? And I am witch hunt. You see, President Mahama has been saying, oh, of course, a vindictive government. It's a example. 20 seconds. Omonde a tuo ni asika no monne nam aban former government enkofo fiemu ama mo ya so irresponsibly abepa ho achew meboa parliament mo ama bepa ho achew say yesu ni aban na yeyi na di enye that's how irresponsible you have become and vindictive government. 20 seconds
me da say ni anam ni anaka Kofi Kano ase asem na no bezo okay bia no edi kan ne say 48 hours but EOCO fo wo buso
of course
but really akwasi ya da juada ya be say de ya chia e obedwam so nyame enka nyina wakra